10%, that gave me 100. That was the interest that I basically got. So the interest is going to be PR. And what is the amount? It is principal plus the interest that you've basically accumulated. That is PR. Oh, sorry. That is going to be P plus PR. And I will write it as P, which is common, 1 plus R. That's how I will basically write it. Now the difference basically comes in, right? This P actually becomes the principal, and that is what you have to basically keep in mind. This amount that we basically had now becomes the principal when it comes to the second year. So that's the difference that you'll basically get when it comes to compound interest and simple interest. So now this effectively will become P times 1 plus R is going to be the principal. What is going to be the interest? I'll use the same formula, nothing changes. Instead of P, I'm writing it as P times 1 plus R times R. That is what I'm basically writing it as. Or I'll write it as PR times 1 plus R. That's something that I will write it as. Now, what is the amount? It is principal plus interest, right? So that is P times 1 plus R plus PR times 1 plus R. Whoa, there is something that is common, right? I'll just take a different pen and I'll highlight P times 1 plus R, and P times 1 plus R is common. So can I just remove that? Yes, I can. P times 1 plus R, I can remove as common from both of these terms. And what do I end up? 1 plus R. How can I write this? I can write this as P times 1 plus R squared. Interesting. So now let me just take this particular thing, that is P times 1 plus R squared basically becomes the principal for the next year. So now I will still use the same thing, that is P times 1 plus R the whole squared times R, or I will write it as RP times 1 plus R the whole squared. Now what is the amount? I'm just basically going through the same thing. I'm not changing anything. Just